Hello, my name is Marissa and I am from Team 43. Team 43 consists of me, Esmeralda, Saleh, and Stephanie, and Abdul Rahman. Duncan Enterprises is an international business with headquarters based in Fresno, California. The company started in the ceramics industry but has currently expanded to several categories, which includes cosmetics, spray paints, and do-it-yourself products. Duncan has won several different awards, one being the California Business Award in 2016. Today, Duncan Enterprises is managed by Larry Duncan and has over 183 employees in Fresno. Duncan Enterprises has a few primary goals, which includes increasing direct sales to customers, offering valuable benefits to customers, and recruiting employees to work in Fresno. As a team, our goal is to find recommendations or strategies to help Duncan Enterprises increase direct sales to customers. Determining the target market. Since Duncan Enterprises has a variety of creative products that are aimed at specific customer bases, having a target customer base is important because once established, it brings in a lot of revenue. Marketing messages are meant to relate with the audience and convince them to buy certain products. Customers appreciate creative slogans and stories that resonate with each person on a personal level. Through target marketing, Dunkin' Enterprises could increase more direct customer sales. Today, it is common to see constant change and improvement in products. If Dunkin' constantly strives to improve older products, this could prove successful in growing target markets. Cost of shipping. Following Dunkin' Enterprises' efforts to increase their direct to customer sales in the craft market, below are some of the measures that they need to consider in respect to reducing the cost of shipping with the main aim of having equal competing grounds with the competitors. Number one, negotiate with a number of multiple carriers in order to identify the one with the lowest rates, depending on the volume being shipped. Second, identify and stick to one carrier in order to increase the chances of having a higher bargaining power. Third, use regional carriers where appropriate since they provide the same services at a reduced cost as compared to other carriers. Next, invest in prepaid shipping, which offers discounts as high as 20%. Moving on, invest in insurance from third parties, which happens to be way cheaper as compared to buying directly from carriers. Consider hybrid services such as SharePost by UPS, which can even be 50% more cheaper as compared to the standard delivery options. Consider joining professional industry associations since businesses in such associations receive up to 50% discount from the carriers. Lastly, stick to the packages provided by the carriers since packages with additional dimensions charge dimension fees. Differentiate your brand from competitors. There are various brands offering creative lifestyle products, and it's hard to ensure that customers choose our brand over similar ones. One way to improve this is to focus on a smaller segment of the target. These customers will start to clearly identify your brand and unique propositions. An advantage of Dunkin' Enterprises is that it started off in the ceramic industry. Dunkin' can use this to differentiate themselves by providing a DIY kit which includes the ceramic of choice and any paint color they select. Similar to their Color Me Mine brand, but in a way that makes this service more readily available and easier to ship. Elastic logistics. Elastic logistics means being able to rapidly shrink and expand logistical capabilities to align with the supply chain demand. It would improve efficiency based on the current need of the supply chain and lead to reduced costs. The money saved could be used for free shipping on a minimum dollar amount purchase. Ultimately, the plan would be to use the savings to improve overall shipping logistics. This would help Dunkin' Enterprise face its primary competitors such as Amazon and Walmart. Most competitors carry a variety of brands similar to Dunkin' Enterprises. Fast and efficiency delivery is a major competition point. Most big retailers have highly efficient supply chain management to aid in the delivery of direct to consumer products. Building customer relationships to increase brand loyalty is really important. Define a specific target market instead of wasting resources on a generic model that might appeal to everyone because not everyone will be interested in the product. Build loyalty by creating products that can be personalized to make the consumer will feel valued and important. Once a new customer is obtained, stay connected, such as send thank you emails after purchases, ask for their feedback, and anticipate future set transactions through small discounts or perks. Congratulate them on their birthday. Send them emails on holidays occasions when sales are known to increase. Take the time to build a relationship between the company and the customer. Customers who feel a connection to the company or brand are more likely to be loyal to it over a big corporation like Amazon. Growing the workforce. Getting people to relocate for a job can be very challenging, especially if you're trying to relocate them to Fresno. While this area is great and has all the great qualities and aspects, many people get thrown off because it isn't a big city. The easiest way to convince people to relocate is to provide more benefits such as higher raise, equity, and help with relocation. A great way for Duncan to recruit creative talent would be to look into big cities within reasonable driving distance. Two examples would be San Francisco and Los Angeles. If employees are unwilling to relocate, a compromise could be made, such as driving to Fresno maybe once or twice a month for a workday and probably do virtual technology the rest of the time when these employees are not in Fresno. Adding virtual technology to Duncan Enterprises. Technologies can be used for virtual presence and communication. Applications such as Skype and Ekaga. This technology allows users to video call via webcam. Significant because it can be used in teleconferencing where meetings are held online. Another platform is shared whiteboards, commonly used by scientists and engineers as they allow for complex equations or formulas to be written. More of a secure multi-site collaboration system whose software allows the users to feel as if they are in a real-life workspace. As a conclusion, telepresence is a technology that has helped a lot in offsetting the high costs associated with traveling, reduced employee fatigue, and also made it possible for people to work remotely. Duncan has many options available for consideration when it comes to virtual technology, and it would be a step in the right direction to try them out. Furthermore, Duncan should consider hiring employees from nearby big cities. This way, they can work remotely but also have a physical presence a few times a month. Thank you. These are also some references that we use for our presentation and paper.